Hey guys, just a quick video here on ink cartridge problem on the HP NV5530 series printer, and it can be on any HP inkjet printer basically. So this one just says ink cartridge problem. You may have a different ink cartridge error on your screen, and the way to check that is definitely going inside the printer. Let's go ahead and open the printer here, have our ink cartridge slide over to the replacement position. So the printer is telling me that the black ink cartridge is having the problem. So it's the one with the ribbon-like symbol on this printer, the 61 ink. So what I did and why it's doing that is because I kind of simulated the problem by putting the ink in here. So, I mean the tape. So if I remove this tape from these pins right here, that should allow the printer to read the cartridge correctly, and I'll show you why I've done this. If you're having a problem, what you would usually see, it's now asking to load paper and do the alignment page. So let's get back to inside here to see our cartridges. What you may find sometimes is if your printer was moved and at one point maybe flipped over, or it just started doing that, and you have ink cartridges. So definitely check for that. If you just bought your ink cartridges, they're from HP or aftermarket, doesn't matter. If it's giving you that error that there's a problem with the ink cartridge, first thing you need to check is make sure there's no tape here, which is going to be here when you buy a cartridge usually. It's like a protective tape. Remove that. Sometimes you may remove there and it might rip off and not remove here, so that's going to cause you an ink system failure or the same error. So make sure there's no tape here and be careful. You should know the difference between the tape or just this here, because this contact area also looks like a tape, but that's not what you don't want to damage this. So make sure you wipe this area clean with a slightly wet paper towel. Also check this area. You can clean that area, the contact area right here in the back of the cartridge, with a paper towel. So what you'll do is you'll just go ahead and kind of fold it. Don't spray in the printer, only spray at the paper towel, and use that kind of like a fingertip and just wipe down that area. Best if you do that when the printer is off, of course. So sometimes you will find ink like here. This I did not do on purpose, but the error, it's not there always, but it does pop up. So you see how ink has been there. This printer may have been on its side. If you look inside the area, you see how like all dirty it is with ink. That needs to be cleaned. Let me wipe that down and you'll see the difference. The contacts are not even exposed. So that's what it should look like. Then definitely wipe the bottom of it. Clean it up here, set that aside, and work on the contact area on your carriage. So same here, I'm just spraying some window cleaner. Just tap some to get most of the ink out. See, it's already better. Best if you use gloves so you don't get your fingers dirty. Just continue doing that. Wipe that down. I'm going to get a clean one and continue that. So you just kind of with the napkin edge or paper towel edge, just keep going down there and wiping all that down. Then go with dry paper towel. Wipe it more. You can see it's a lot better now. This should already read the cartridges properly. So that's what it should look like. Once again, checking our ink cartridge. This is the black going on the right. Right there. This one goes here. We're going to go ahead and close this cover. And our printer is ready to make a test page. So, an alignment page. So this is how you take care of that problem. I hope this was helpful for you. Once again, this is a HP NV5530 series printer, but it's going to be kind of the same concept of cleaning it and maintaining it as other inkjet printers. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and enjoy your day.